So if we go into our zombie class and we take a look at what we're doing when we get close to the player, at the moment we're resetting back to random spawn point, and of course we don't want to do that. We want to actually attack our player. So let's create an attack player method. So attack player, let's replace this with this dot attack player. And then here we can, well, first of all, if we're already attacking the player, we don't want to start attacking again. So if this dot attacking then return, and we'll immediately after that set attacking to true. So we only ever come into this code after the if this attacking return only once. So that's good because we want to do a setInterval, and we're going to do this dot player dot attack, and we'll do that every 500 milliseconds. And that's it, as simple as that. So when the zombie gets close to the player, they will just stop there because it will just keep hitting this return. It will keep calling this attack player, but actually this code here will only get run the first time, which is exactly what we want because we don't want to keep setting this setInterval, otherwise that could cause us problems. We only ever want to do that once per zombie, and that should do the trick. So let's see how that works. We do save, let's do a refresh, and now as you can see our health bar is slowly going down. And the only problem is that when we kill the zombie that was attacking us, it didn't stop attacking us. So we need to fix that. So what we can do is we can do this dot interval is equal like that. And then we can come down here, and when the zombie is killed, we can do clearInterval this dot interval. So let's see if that works. So the zombie's attacking us, we kill the zombie, and then he stops attacking us. And then another zombie comes in, is attacking us, we kill that zombie. That's working nicely. And the only thing is obviously we'd set spawner to max spawns of 1. So let's add more zombies now. Okay, let's have a few attackers, and we have a whole mob of zombies attacking us, and at that point it's game over. We should be dead. So it would be nice to show a game over screen at that point, and then we're about done for the prototype.